Hi guys and welcome to Carflix. Today I'm going to show you how to change your power steering fluid. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. So once you've jacked the car up, we need to remove this inner arch lining. And this is super easy to do. There's about 7 plastic clips. You can either use a screwdriver or a plastic trim removal tool. We've got that removed, we can see everything that we need to get to. So this is your main engine pulley, this is your air conditioning pump, this is your pulley tensioner, this here is the return which we need to disconnect so that we can get all the fluid out of the power steering. Using a pair of pincers, pinch it together and remove the pipe. Put the pipe into the plastic container and then slowly move your steering wheel left and right until as much fluid comes out as possible. Okay, so I had to turn the steering wheel left and right about 15 times I'd say. But yeah, I mean look how dark this is. Very, very murky I'd say. Even the LED torch is struggling to get through that. Look how dark that is. Okay, so to now fill it up, we've got to reattach this pipe back onto here again. And then I'm going to use a Jubilee clip because I don't like these old style ones. I don't think they're very good. And then I'm going to tighten that up until I'm happy with it. And yeah, I will then start the refill process. Install the new Jubilee clip and tighten it down to ensure no leaks. What I did forget to mention was to aid this draining, I did take the cap off to do this. So what we're going to do now, we've now got to fill this up to the maximum. The maximum is just there. Don't know how I'm going to do that, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. So I'll top some up and see how we get on. Now, because the RCZ uses a hydraulic and electric pump, so it doesn't pump off the actual engine off a pulley, we have to use this special fluid which is called EXT fluid, and it's bloody expensive. This was £20 from Wilco Motor Save. I'm just going to top it up now and see how we get on. I bought 2 litres just in case, but 1 litre should be enough. I've had a bit of a disaster that I was supposed to go up to max, but obviously I've overfilled it, so I'm hoping that when I turn the steering wheel it will just go down. You can't see what you're doing and it's really difficult. All I can tell you is I put in about, what, half a litre, and that topped it right up. I need to move the steering wheel slowly with the engine off, top up to the maximum, and then idle for 2 to 3 minutes. As I was turning that steering wheel, it looks like it has gone down, but that's still far too much. So I think the best thing to do is I'm going to run the engine for 2 to 3 minutes now and see if that goes down. So look at me. Okay, now it's been 3 minutes. Now I've got to move the steering wheel slowly. That's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so I've done that. It's gone down again, so now I've just got to top it up and we should be good. I'm just going to put this back in and see what the level's like. That is way over, but I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to move it left and right, and I'll see if that goes down again. Okay, so I've measured it all and it is perfect and I'm really happy with that. Thanks ever so much for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.